Hey guys, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2013 Ford F550. It's a V10 powered truck, has a brand new engine that we just installed. We bought it through the local Ford dealer. 124,000 miles, 124,800 when I was just in the truck. This is a one-owner truck. It came to us out of California. There's no rust whatsoever on the truck, nice and dry all the way around. Has an 11-foot IMT Dominator bed that we just had sandblasted and repainted. As you can see, it shows like new. Again, that was not to address any rust issues. It was merely to fix a ton of rock chips and just normal paint wear and decay that you'll get with a truck of this age. Obviously, new bed liner applied on the bumper and inside the bed. It shows really well. The goal of these walk-around videos is to show you everything about the truck that you want to see if you were here looking at it in person. So if you need any additional photos, videos, or information, feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. As you can see, everything is bone dry underneath, as you would expect for a truck that lived its life in California. Say what you want about that state, it certainly is an amazing climate for vehicles. It's an XL trim, roll-up windows, manual locks. It does have cruise control and the volume control buttons on the steering wheel. It's a two-wheel drive. Cab's clean, no rips or tears on either of the seats or the center console lid. It does have this aftermarket head unit in it that has a rear view camera that comes up when you go in reverse. Little chip here in the paint. Like I said, I'm just going to go around and point out any imperfections that I do see. The second half of the video, I'll do a cold start, a drive, and a crane demonstration on it. So if you're waiting for that, feel free to skip ahead. I'm just going to go through all the bins. Some scratches on the front of the bumper here. A little dent right here. We have a full listing of this truck on our website. It's just some goo needs to come off of the seat. With around 35 photos. If you need a link to that or can't find it, 804-716-8487. We can text you over the link to that. Previous owner obviously installed all of these. These are all aftermarket. Just rings to put padlocks through if you wanted extra locks. All the latches operate as they should. We have the keys for them, obviously. So all these doors close, latch, lock, and seal as they should. This is your torch compartment here. Bottle racks right there. Chilly here today. It was 80 degrees yesterday and the temperature dropped overnight. So there's no drawers in any of these compartments. There is some shelving throughout, but the truck does not have a set of drawers on it. It's a corded remote for the crane. The hydraulic outrigger is a manual pull out for the extend and then hydraulic up and down. The crane's a 38/16, so it's a 20-foot max reach, one stage hydraulic extension out to that 16-foot mark, and then you have to pull a pin and pull it out to get the full 20 feet of extension. Do you have a tow hitch receiver here on the bumper? You have some compartments here along the top, add-on compartments. Like I said, the truck really does show like new with the repaint on it. See, this top piece here is just bent down, just something to note. Here's your fuel cap here. $124,800 on the miles. And like I said, the engine was bought new through the local Ford dealer. It's a 2-year unlimited mile warranty. Pretty nice backup camera. Again, it's an aftermarket head unit, but backup camera works fairly well. It's pretty good video quality and a good size screen. As I mentioned, the crane is run off this this factory corded remote. Nice long leash on it. Cord's in good shape. And then there's a trigger remote, so you can feather it nice and slow like that, or you can run it wide open like that. Then it's a 38/16, so 7,500 pounds of maximum capacity. One stage hydraulic extension out to that 16-foot mark, and then the secondary extension is a manual pin pull out to the maximum of 20 feet. Whoops. There we go. Rotation gear is nice and tight. So thanks again for watching. That's it. Again, it's a 2013 with just under 125,000 miles, 11-foot IMT Dominator body, 38/16 crane, brand new engine. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. Again, this is all that we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar or slightly different, we have lots of different options in stock. Feel free to call or text us anytime. We do ship anywhere in the country. We do have commercial financing available. Thanks for checking it out.